to you by America Motorworks Off-Road and Performance, your one stop for all your off-road diesel and performance needs. Whether it's fast or slow, lifted or low, new or old, we've got you covered. Come see us at our shop in Montrose, Colorado, or visit our website and online store at www.americamotorworks.com. New parts added daily. Check us out.
Hey, what's up, ladies and gents? It's Andy and Micah at America Motorworks. Today I have a 2018 Nissan Titan with the Cummins, and we are going to be putting an S&B cold air intake on it. Nice, fairly simple Cummins motor. We had to do some work on this a few months ago, and it was actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be. But anyway, let's get the box unpacked and see what we got. The part number for this is 75-5082. And this is the one with the red cotton cleanable element. And they also make one with a dry one. So let's see what we got in the box. All right, here we are. It's pretty self-explanatory. We have the intake pipe, and then the coupling boot, then a couple of pass-throughs for the box, some hardware, some clamps, a box plug, and the filter in the box. So what we're gonna do is loosen this hose clamp. Already got that one loose with this. Not enough room to get the nut driver in there, so break that guy loose. Take this off. This will come out. This will come out. And then these little locking tabs, you want to push it that way, and there's a little boss here you can catch a flat blade screwdriver on. Squeeze, pull. Squeeze, pull. Set this aside. Get these out of the way. They are not bolted to the airbox, even though they act like they want to be. Take the air filter out. The air filter out. And there are two bolts in there. Let's go ahead and remove those. All right, got the box here. We had these two little rubber fellas. They just push right into the little holes. Then you put this boot that goes between the box and the fender. And you don't have to put this plug in, but I'm going to. So it only sucks air from the fender. And we're gonna use these bolts. Now, at one point there was another one here. I didn't take it, so I don't have it to reinstall it. So there you go. Okay. Let's see, get earthing lined up. All right, had to pull it up a little bit to get it to go in. I think it's a 13, so I'm gonna go get the 13 and we'll run these in. Box is installed. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the rubber bushing in. All right, now take the tube and our silicone coupler, take the larger of the two clamps and put it on here. Nice and snug. All right, then the other one will go there. but we're gonna go ahead and put the 2 sensors on it right now. All right, time to install the intake air temp sensor. Now it's got a little O-ring on it. Go ahead and put a little bit of dielectric grease on it, and you know, bravo Nissan. You know, maybe everyone else should take a page out of there, because look, Phillips, Phillips, Phillips. No Torx or any of the other stupid ones, or the tamper resistant ones, or any of that crap. So thank you, Nissan / Cummins, or whoever made that decision. Yeah, it needed a, that gentleman needs a promotion.
It was Cummins.
It probably was Cummins. Now, despite the screws are both Phillips, we need to make sure that we use the ones that came with the S&B. Come on. Now this is a little dirty, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean it. Nice and clean. Now you use mass airflow sensor cleaner or brake cleaner. So I'll go ahead and lube this O-ring up too. Now, this has an arrow on it. The arrow is the direction of airflow, so the air's flowing into the engine that way, so make sure you don't put it backwards. I don't even think it'll let you. Nope. They idiot-proof it, because some of us are idiots. So I'll put this screw on. Cool. So what I like to do is, normally when you shove this through, you can't get the filter on afterwards, so I'm gonna put the filter in the box and push it through. I'm pushing it real good. Now, get that on there also. That's on, that's through. Sweet. Now we'll roll the edge of the filter down, rotate it around so I can get at the top. There's the little trouble spot. Ha! Gotcha, yeah! So, go ahead and tighten it. That's nice and tight. That's in, and push that down. Go ahead and rotate it. All the clamps are on. I went ahead and flipped that one around so it would look nice, because I'm kind of anal about that. Get these. Plug the airflow sensor and the air intake temp sensor. Cool. Now we'll do the lid. Stuff is so staticky. Then put this on. Usually you don't want to start it on a corner because it'll fold back on itself, so I normally start it on the end. Now I'm going to go ahead and trim it. Oh, maybe I won't need to. Sweet. Get off there. Everything's so staticky. really is. Now take your screws. And we're gonna put all 4 in. I'll go ahead and do that and we'll come back. Well, she's all done. That looks pretty dang good if I don't say so myself. He's gonna be real happy. Came out real freaking nice. So yeah, that's the install of one of these on a Titan Diesel. Cool, yeah. If you want some more info on one of these, I'll have a link in the description of the video that'll take you to our site where you can get more info. You want to pick one up, cool. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Later. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in any of the parts that you saw in the video, check out our website, www.americamotorworks.com. Also check the link in the description of this video, because if I say install the cold air intake or an exhaust, I will put that link in there. Appreciate the support. If you want to see more of our stuff, make sure you click the subscribe button right here. Have a good one.